Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you on how to solve example 22. So for this kind of problem, what we have to do, is to square both sides. Okay, now just copy paste left hand side, which is 7 minus x, and then right hand side x minus 5 into its own bracket. Then we square left hand side and right hand side. Okay, so for left hand side, square root of 7 minus x squared is 7 minus x. Okay, while for the right hand side, we have to expand lah. Take some time lah to expand. Okay, let's expand them. X multiplied by x is x squared. X multiplied by minus 5 is minus 5x. Minus 5x multiplied by x is minus 5x, and minus 5 minus 5 plus 25. Okay, now next we have to bring everything on one side. Okay, so x squared minus 10x plus x plus 27 pula. 25 minus 7. So what we have here is x squared minus 9x plus 18. Okay, next we are going to factorize it. You can use EQN function in your calculator as well, no problem. Okay, then this one is 92 92 pula. 63. 63 better. Okay, therefore our answer is the value of x, not our answer yet, x equals 3. Okay, this is the values of x, not yet the answer, the solution for our equation here. Why? Because we need to test each one of them. Okay, so first we are going to test for x equals to 6. Okay, how to test? Just substitute 6 back inside the original equation. That's all. Okay, so we have 7 minus x, right? So we replace the x by 6. Over here also replace by 6. Okay, and then we find the answer. So we have square root of 1. This one we have 1. Therefore, 1 equals to 1, which is true. When the statement is true, then x equals 6 is the solution. It's the solution for this equation. Okay, how about the second one? We're going to test also lah. Next, we're going to test for x equals 3. Okay, so we replace 7 minus 3 equals 3 minus 5. Okay, right hand side we have minus 2. Left hand side we have square root of 4, which is 2. Okay, when we look for this one, we realize that 2 is not equal to minus 2. When this line is not true, okay, it tells us that x equals 3 is not the solution. Therefore, our answer, the only answer for this equation is x equals to 6. So I beg you, please do not forget to test when you get the value of x. You might get more than 1. That's why you have to test them. Okay, if you get 1, actually if you get 1 also, you need to test them. If it's a set problem like this. Okay, next. Let's go to the next one. Okay, this one. Okay, we have a real number pula. We have a whole number over here, and then we have set over here. Problematic. So I suggest you move these 3 over here. Okay, to get square root of 3x plus 1 equals x minus 3. Then our next step would be easier. Okay, because we are going to square both sides. Okay, like this. Okay, easy. So from here, left hand side become 3x plus 1 already. Okay, and then right hand side is x square minus 3x minus 3x plus 9. Okay. Actually, I have a shortcut lah for this one. I have a shortcut. Okay, I show you. This in front. This is the back. So, what to do? Okay, you square the front. Square the front. What is the front? X. Okay, and then plus, okay, and then you square the back. What is the back? The back one is minus 3. Okay, and then what else? Plus 2 front and back. Now, what is the front? The front is X. The back is minus 3. So that is the shortcut for this kind of expansion. Yeah. Okay, so we solve them. X squared plus 9 minus 6x. Okay, and then we already solved this, and then we bring 3x plus 1 over here to get minus 3x minus 1. So this one equals 0. Okay, so we get we solve them, we simplify them to get minus 9x plus 8. Okay, and then you use like your EQN, okay, to get 8 and 1, I think, and then minus. Correct. So we get x equals 8, x equals 1. Okay, so we have two possible answers for this third equation. So we need to test for the first one. Okay, we need to test for x equals 8. Okay, so just put the left hand side original function inside. Okay, 3, 8 plus 1 equals to 8. Okay, so 3 plus, okay, so what's this? 3, 8, 24 plus 1 is 25. Okay, 25 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8 equals 8. So this is true or not? It is true. When it is true, therefore, x equals 8 is the solution. Okay. The next one, let's test for the second one. Okay, and also don't assume you have to test for each one of the number. For example, okay, from the previous example, you've seen that one of them is the solution, one of them is not. Okay, sometimes both x's are the solution. You don't test only one and then the other you just assume. Since 8 is the solution, then 1 is not. Not necessarily. Okay, you have to test. You have to test. Okay, let's go. Even though it look like it will be not equal, but still. So 3 plus 3 multiplied by 1 plus 1 equals to 1. Okay, let's see. 3 plus, what's this? 3 plus 1 is 4. This one equals. Okay, and then we have 5. Okay, not equal to 1. Therefore, x equals 1 is not the solution. That's all. Okay, so that's all for the second one. Let's go to the third one. This one, alamak. How to solve this one? Very problematic. Okay, don't worry. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so what we have to do first? First, we have to move one of the set over here. Okay, if you don't, then when you square them, you will face difficulties. Problematic lah. So better move this one over here. So what we have square root 2x plus 3 equals 8 minus square root of x minus 2. Then we square both sides. Okay, so this one square root of 2x plus 3. This one is 8 minus square root of x minus 2. Okay, so the left hand side right away becomes 2x plus 3. Okay, the right hand side is we can use my technique just now. Okay, so front squared, which one is the front one? The front term is 8. Okay, and then plus the back term squared. Alamak, make it bigger lah. The back term is bigger anyways. The back term is what? The back term is this one, minus square root of x minus 2. So copy paste everything. Okay, like that. Okay, and then plus what? Plus double front and back. What is the front? The front is 8 and the back is minus square root of x minus 2. Okay, that looks promising. Okay, good. Okay, then we simplify. So 8 squared is 64. Minus square root x minus 2 squared is plus x minus 2. Okay, and then this one is minus 16 square root of x minus 2. Okay, now we have 2x plus 3. Okay, now what else? Okay, you see there's a mix of whole number and assert. So what we have to do, we have to isolate the cert. Make sure the cert is single. Like this is not single yet. Okay, like this is not single yet. So we need to get rid of these and put it over here. Okay, so I think better this one go over there lah. Okay, so 16 square root x minus 2 go over there, becomes positive 16x minus 2. And then 64 plus x minus 2, 62 lah. Minus 2, right? Minus 2x minus 3. Okay. So, next step, we need to square both sides for the second time. Okay, because we still have one more cert over here, right? So we have to square both sides for the second time. So just put them inside the bracket like this. Do not worry so much. This one need to solve first. We need to simplify first lah. So x minus 2x is minus x. 62 minus 3 is plus 59. I think yes, correct. Okay, better. Alamak, the number is getting bigger lah. Okay, I use my calculator. Wait, I find my handphone. Okay, better. Okay, so over here, what we have is 16 squared is 256. 256 x minus 2. Okay, so the square root is vanished, gone. Okay, now how about this one? We can use my technique just now. Front squared plus back squared plus 2 front and back. Okay, now what is the front? The front is minus x. The back is positive 59. Oh, the number is getting bigger. Okay. Okay. Front. Here front and back. Back is 59, 59. Like that. Okay. Now, minus x squared is x squared. 59 squared. What is 59 squared? Ayo, so big. So big. So big, so big, so big. 3481. Okay. And then minus 59 multiply by 2. Okay, so we get 118x. Okay, so this one we need to expand. Okay, so to have 256x minus 512. I think. Okay, yes, correct. Okay, then what we need to do now, we make sure everything on one side. Okay, so x squared plus, minus 118x minus 256x. Okay, and then plus 3481 plus 512. Okay, then we simplify. X squared minus this one, 118, 256 is 374. 374x plus 381 plus 512. I'm using my calculator now. That's why I'm talking to myself. Okay, so 3993. Okay, let's see. I'm going to use my calculator. Actually, I'm using my laptop to find the quadratic. This one is quadratic, so we are going to find the factorization. Okay, let's see. So coefficient of A is 1, coefficient of B is minus 374, and then 3993. This one you can use your EQN function in your calculator as well, no problem. Okay, so what I get is x minus 363 and x minus 11. Okay, therefore I have x 363, x equals 11 as the possible answer. But we need to test for both of them. Okay, so let's test for x equals 363. Okay, so square root x minus 2 plus square root 2x plus 3 equals 8. Okay, I'm going to copy paste this one, that's why. Okay, so 363 minus 2. Okay, so 2363 plus 3 equals to 8. Equals to 8. Correct or not? Minus 2 plus 30. Okay, correct. Okay, now so the front one becomes square root of 61 plus what's this? 363 multiplied by 2 plus 3. So 729 equals to 8. Okay, so you need to use your calculator lah, since the figure is quite big. Okay, now I'm using my, I don't have calculator here at my home. Okay, so I'm going to use Google to find the sum of the square root. Okay, so set 361 plus set 729 is 46. 46, Oh, 46 lah. Okay, 46 equals 8. Is it true or not? Not true. Since it is not true, therefore, x 363 is not a solution. Okay, so we have finished testing for the first one. Let's test for the second one. Okay, I just copy paste and then replace the number. So this one I replace the number, this one also I replace the number. Okay, 11 minus 2 is 9 squared. And then 22 plus 3 is 25. 25 square root equals to 8. So set 9 is 3, set 25 is 5. Therefore, 8 is equals to 8. Therefore, the statement is true. When the statement is true, x equals 11 is the solution. This one quite long because the number is big lah. When you expand them and when you take the square root, take the square of the number, 2-digit number some more. That's why we get a big number. So, but you have your calculator, should be no problem lah then. So that's all for example 22. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum. Have a good day.